Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome kids to part 2 of week 14 science year 4 lessons. Now before we start our lesson, we shall recite dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrahli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wasallam walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Okay, our next lesson, still energy and forces. Heat energy, that is heat flows in solids. Now remember one more time, heat energy, there are four main sources of heat energy. First one is sun. Second one is we can get heat energy from electricity. We can also get heat energy from burning fuel. And the fourth one, we can get heat energy from friction. Now, objective for this lesson is to compare and classify a range of objects as good conductors of heat and poor conductors of heat. Now this is very easy. Study the photo. Now the question is, what materials does this object use? There are 7 materials that we have learned. The first one is metals. The second one is wood. The third one is glass. The fourth one is ceramic. The fifth one is rubber. The sixth is fabric and plastics. So we have learned 7 materials. So A, B and C. Which one of the 7 materials are A, B and C? 1 minute. No. 10 seconds. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the answer would be, this material would be wood or sometimes bamboo. Bamboo is also a kind of wood. B would be, the pan is made from metal, the spatula from wood, pan from metal. And C, the handle for the pan is made from plastics. Now what happened here? We say metals are good conductors of heat. What does it mean by good conductors of heat? Good conductors of heat allows heat to flow through easily. Good conductor of heat, one more time, allows heat to flow through easily. When a material is called good conductor of heat, when we put fire on it, it can move easily. Now check this one. If you don't understand, let's look here. This is a nail, a metal nail. When you put a fire candle on the end of the metal nail, now remember, do not do this at home without your parents looking. Now do not do this, it's very dangerous. Now when you put candle at the end of the nail, what happens is heat energy moves. Now for metal, it moves very fast like this. Moves very fast. Now the metal nail will become hot. From here it moves to here. All metals are good conductors of heat. Metals allows heat like this, heat energy, to move easily. All metals are good. Now remember, all metals like steel, metal, iron, gold, aluminium, and so on, copper, many more, are good conductors of heat. Simple. Metal, good conductors of heat. Now look at the next example. This is a plastic spoon. Now you have plastic spoon, and what happened is plastics are poor conductor of heat. What does it mean by poor conductor of heat? Poor conductors of heat does not allow heat to flow through easily. Now different from metal, metal allow heat to flow easily, very easily. It easily become hot. Now plastic spoon is different. When you put a candle on the end of the plastic spoon, what happens is the heat does not move easily. It stops maybe somewhere there and it burns. It does not move until the end. It's not easy to make the spoon warm every till the end. It's easy if it's a metal spoon. It is very easy to make the spoon warm. If you burn at the end, heat moves, heat energy moves. But for plastic, heat energy does not move easily. So we call this poor conductors of heat. Glass, wood, ceramic, rubber, fabric and plastic are also poor conductors of heat. Now remember, this is easy. 7 materials. Metal, good conductor of heat. Glass, wood, ceramic, rubber, fabric and plastic are poor conductor of heat. But there is a question. Glass and ceramic poor conductor of heat? Then why some object uses glass and ceramic? Example, cooking pots. This is glass cooking pot and the other one is ceramic cooking pot. Now why do they use this object? Now I did say poor conductor of heat means it does not allow heat to move easily. Check again. Does not allow heat to flow through easily. Now glass and ceramic can still, now remember, it can still conduct heat, but not as good as metal. It will get hot over time. Yes, when you burn here, the heat slowly moves up. Yes, it will heat up, but not as good, as fast as metal. Metal very fast. You put on the stove and after a few minutes here is hot. But glass and ceramic not as fast as metal. It can conduct heat but slower. Now checklist to remember. Now this is very easy. There are 2 types of conductor of heat. We have learned that there is good conductor of heat, which is metals. We did also learn just now poor conductors of heat, which is wood, plastic, glass, ceramic, rubber and fabric. Now among all materials that we have learned, only one is good conductor of heat, and else than that poor conductor of heat. Good, let's test our knowledge. Let's check which one is good conductor of heat and which one is poor conductor of heat. A and B. Which one is good conductor of heat? Which one is poor conductor of heat? Now remember, good conductor of heat means heat can flow through easily. Poor conductor of heat means heat cannot flow through easily. The material does not allow heat to flow through easily. It become hot slower. It will become hot. Ia jadi panas tapi lambat panasnya. Kalau good, laju panasnya, terus panas. Kalau poor, perlahan panasnya. Kadang-kadang panasnya stampik saja. Now, which is good conductor of heat and which is poor conductor of heat? A or B? This is very easy. Remember, there is only one good conductor of heat, which is A. Is poor conductor of heat. This one is made from fabric. and B is made from metal. A is poor conductor of heat, B is good conductor of heat because it's metal. Next, how about this one? What does it call? Iron. Iron for ironing your clothes. Now, A or B? Which one is good? Which one is poor? Which one is good conductor of heat? Which one is poor conductor of heat? A is good conductor of heat. B is poor conductor of heat. Why? Usually A is made from metal and B usually is made from plastic. So plastic not get that hot very fast. A is hot. How about this? Some animals like polar bears can live in cold places. How come? Cold places like Arctic. Here the picture, it ice. Everything is ice. They can live it there. They can live there. How do they stay warm? Polar bears have thick layer of fur. Body covering, fur. They also have thick layer of fat. Lemak. They have fat. They have fur. Fur and fats are poor conductor of heat. They help polar bear from losing body heat. So fur and fat does not allow heat to flow through easily. The bear body produce heat and it cannot move just in the body because polar bear have fat, have fur lagi, and the heat cannot go out, cannot move out. So no or less heat loss. Now remember, heat loss and heat gain. Less heat loss here, minimum heat loss. The heat stay there. How about this? How about penguin? It's the same. Penguin can stay in Arctic. It's a very cold place. How do they stay warm? Almost the same like polar bear. Penguin have thick layer of feathers, not fur. Penguin is a bird, and bird have feathers. They have also a thick layer of fats on their body below the feather. Feather and fats are poor conductors of heat. Like polar bear have fats and fur, penguin fats and feather are poor conductor of heat. They help penguin from losing body heat. So little heat loss. They can stay warm because heat cannot move out from the body. How about people? How does this man stay warm? Now this is very easy. People have no furs. People have no feathers. So how do they stay warm? They use winter gears. Now this one, the cap, the jacket, the gloves, the boots are called winter gears. Oh yeah, like this. Like winter jackets, gloves, thick fur boots, thick clothes to stay warm. They wear a few layers of clothes so the heat will stay inside. Your shirt is a poor conductor of heat. If you wear a lot of thick shirt, you can stay warm in cold weather. Okay, thank you for watching. You shall do your exercise. I've given you simple exercises. Please do your exercise. Until the next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.